Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect ChatGPT to n8n. Alright, let's begin. Before you build anything with ChatGPT and n8n, you first need to set up OpenAI credentials. These credentials allow n8n to connect with the OpenAI API, just like giving it a password. Once you set them up, you can reuse them in any workflow. As an example, let's use the Message a Model node. Open any OpenAI node and look for the field called Credentials to Connect with. Click Select Credentials, then Create New Credentials. You'll now be asked to enter an API key. To get this key, go to platform.openai.com, log in, and click the gear icon for settings. In the left menu, select API keys, then Create New Secret Key. Copy the key right away, since you won't see it again. Now paste it into n8n and save. If successful, you'll see Connection Tested Successfully. So that's basically how you can connect ChatGPT to n8n. That's it for this video. Thanks.